This video is going to be about replacing a power window motor for an F-150 1995. First, here's the tools you'll need to replace it with. I used a cordless drill with a 1/4-inch drive extension on it with an 8mm socket. I found that was the best way to get out the bolts. You can use a wrench, but I would not recommend it. It just takes too long. You'll need some aviation snips, a file, some silicone, and a flashlight to see the bolts. Look over here. You'll see one bolt. There's 3 bolts total, 8mm. There's a second bolt, and the other bolt, you can see it, if I can find it, is right here, back in there. Now, what I found the easiest way to do, instead of taking the regulator out, is to take your aviation snips, cut yourself a little slot for this bolt and for this bolt. You can see where I cut it. You can also use a Dremel, that might even be better. And then for this bolt, I used a drill bit and I drilled 2 holes in it. Then I used my aviation snips to cut out a hole so my socket can fit through there. By doing it this way is a lot easier than just taking the regulator out or trying to fight to get the other bolts out using an 8mm wrench. Now once you did that, if you have any sharp edges from your aviation snips, I would just take a file and knock those sharp edges down. And then once you do all that, you can easily get to these 3 bolts with your socket and power drill and take out your power window motor. And then once you get that out and you're ready to replace it, stick your motor through it, work it around to get it to where your motor's flat up against the regulator. Take your silicone, stick some silicone on the head of your bolt and stick it on your socket so you don't lose them. This is the best way because I already lost 2 of them down in there and I kind of had a hard time getting it out. But if you use your magnet with an extension on it, you can get your bolts out if you had to. And that's about it. Use your power drill to get your bolts in there, because there's no threads on the motor itself. The bolts actually create the threads when you use your power drill to get them in. Once you do that, just put your door panel back on, plug it in, and it should work. That's it. Simple as that.